is Tanvi Sharma and I am here to tell you about my experience with 3G School of Applied Psychology. I had attended Clinical Psychology Immersion program for 1 month and I also done many workshops related to psychology. All was so interesting and insightful. I learned so many things from them. Coming back to my immersion program, I had really great experience. Although it was virtual internship, but it never felt like that. 3G team members were so kind and they tried their best to provide us good materials and notes. Teachers' classes with them have been so worthwhile. They have an amazing way to break down things so that they become more understandable, and they always keep it light and fun. What I really love about this program was they include 8 extra sessions, which was about Canva, content writing and public speaking, doodle art, and I personally really loved those 8 sessions and learned so many things from them. Lastly, I really appreciate the work 3G is doing. Thank you so much.